Hi there. Today, I want to talk about one of my favorite games, cricket. Cricket is a sport that is loved by millions of people around the world. It is a game that requires skill, patience, and determination. The game is played between two teams, and the objective of the game is to score more runs than the opposing team. The game is played on a field, which is divided into two teams, the batting team and the bowling team. The game begins with the batting team taking the bat and trying to score as many runs as possible by hitting the ball and running between the wickets. The bowling team, on the other hand, tries to get the batting team out by bowling the ball and getting the batting team to run out of battered balls. The game of cricket is played in several formats, including T20, One-Day International ODI, and Test matches. Each format has its unique rules and regulations. ODI matches are played between two teams of 11 players each, and the game is played over 2 innings. Test matches, on the other hand, are played between two teams of 17 players each, and the game is played over 3 innings. Cricket is not just a game, but it is also a culture. It brings people together, and it is a great way to bond with friends and family. Whether you are a seasoned cricket fan or a newbie, cricket has something for everyone. So, if you ever get the chance to try this amazing game, don't miss it. Thank you for listening to my talking script about games cricket.